Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore your purchases in Inshot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings there. Once that is done, you can just press on restore purchases. And after waiting a little bit, you will be able to restore your purchases, of course if you had any, because in my case I didn't have any previous purchases. And you can see that it says there that pro status not found, meaning that I haven't joined beforehand on the pro subscription. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.